going, everybody? We got a, what does that number say? 2011, model year 2012, manufactured 2011. C2 here, with an ISB in it. The last video I did of one of these older C2s did decently well, so I'm assuming you all like these, so figured I'd record this one too. No engine brake in this one. We've got quite the interesting weather going on today. It's like a mix of sleet and snow, and I don't know what it is. I really don't. I was gonna see what the bus said the temperature was outside, but this was just sitting in the bay for an hour, so it's not gonna be right. It might be a little rattly because got a Raycon back there. If you're not familiar with the lifts in these buses, the older ones with the Raycons, they're terrible lifts. They suck. The design on them is horrible. But yeah. Kick the froster on a little bit. This one actually has blinker noise on. Interesting. I don't know why these older ones don't ever really have blinkers, or the noise for the blinkers on, but this one does, so I like that. Man, it's like this nasty slush stuff. It's weird. Hopefully the camera's not focusing on all that, but I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. Or I'll find out later. Aside from the lift in the back, this one is still a little bit creaky. But that's a feature. So it makes a school bus, with all the rattles and noises it makes, so. Windshield's fogging up. That's fun. There we go. Paper was blocking the airflow, I guess, that side. Oh, the whole bus is fogging up. Look at that. Fortunately, this one has working AC in the front, so the defroster will work right. Defrost the windows a little bit. In case you're not familiar, the way that AC defrosts windows is you have the cold coils with the refrigerant making them cold. The water condenses on those and comes from a, what's not really gas when it's, I don't know, basically the water in the air condenses onto the coils and then drips out, and that's how it defrosts your windows. Because all this is water vapor. right next to the camera. I don't want it to be loud as heck. Windows are starting to defrost a little bit. What a nasty, crummy day. Oh, shoot. Whoops. I forgot this one doesn't have automatic headlights. Transmissions really like to hold on to gears. I think it's just valve body wear on the transmission. I'm not really knowledgeable enough to explain the internals of a transmission, so that's something that you'd have to look up if you're curious, but basically it's fluid pressure with little valves that open and close based on the fluid pressure to make the transmission shift. A bunch of magic, really. All the ice. Just pay attention to that. Oh, the roads are going to be fun getting home today. It's a ghost town. Wow. Switch again. There we go. I'm not the best at hitting switches over here without looking. See if I can get it going to 5th. There we go. Someone's pulled over there. Isn't that crazy though? It is currently the 12th of March. We got all that snow in the last week or two of January. We're coming on, I'll go on this side, 2 full months now with snow still on the ground. And it's just about to get cold again. So I'm pretty sure it's still going to be here by the time it hits 2 months. Which is insane. Right here. Oh, whoops. No? Don't want to high idle now? Okay. Alright, well, they're brings me to the end of this, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one.